Nobody likes to be burnt out, and it isn't at all necessary to perform rituals just to prevent or get rid of it. So, in this video, I'll be sharing with you how you can use the Pomodoro technique to prevent getting burnt out. Let's roll the intro. Before we get to the how, I believe it would be good if I introduce you to the gist of it. Interruptions and burnout are two common and major time wasters at work. The Pomodoro technique eliminates both of these through timing tasks and taking breaks, and it's one of the simplest time management tools around. By focusing on the tasks that need your immediate attention for short bursts of time, you'll learn to ignore interruptions and more accurately estimate time commitments. Then you can adjust your work process accordingly. You'll avoid feeling overworked by taking breaks, become more productive, and strike a better work-life balance. So, let's now get to the how. The first step consists of choosing something that you need to complete right away, whatever it may be. House chores, work or school related, literally anything. After that, spend 25 minutes of uninterrupted work time on this task. And if interruptions do arise, write them down and table them for later. When the 25-minute timer ends, take a 5-minute break. The fun part about this is that every fourth break is a longer one. You can take 15, 20, or even 30 minutes to refresh your mind. Progressive rest time is good. You may even want to experiment with progressive work time as well. So, as your rest time increases, your work time does as well. You might ask, who would this system appeal to? Well, that's the great part. Just about everyone. This technique is very simple. However, if you'd like to up your game and have another tool in your arsenal, may I introduce you to time blocking. Time blocking is a time management system that involves setting a start time for when you want to start a task and when you're gonna finish. So, what tools can you use for time blocking? I've mentioned this time and time again, but you can use Google Calendar. If you time block in Google Calendar, it will look something like this. It looks like a block, hence the name time blocking. In this picture, the block is color blue. You can change the color to anything you want. You can even have different tags and therefore different colors for different types of schedules. I've survived with time blocking and time blocking only throughout my school life. But would Pomodoro technique help you? I believe so, it would. It wouldn't hurt to have another trick under your sleeve. By the way, I'm promoting this product called the Procrastination Fix. This is a super high-quality program that teaches people how to beat their procrastination and get more things done. It has a unique Halo method hook, which is a method that allows writers to create their works of fiction at a rapid pace. So, if you'd like to check it out, click the link below. And that concludes the video. If you have any comments you'd like to share, feel free to comment them down below. Hit like if you liked the video, don't if you didn't, and see you in the next one. As always, keep grinding.